To create a new document, simply select the first button on the toolbar or choose the New option from the PriMus menu button, where an empty document can be created by either selecting Price List, Bill of Quantities or Construction Cost Management. Let's see how easy it is to create a new Bill of Quantities document. The document is immediately created, and as you can see, it is empty in the various editor sections: Measurements, Price List, General Data, where you can see the different fields to enter general data or the structure of chapters and categories of the document, and where you can define the chapter structure of your price list or the category structure of your bill of quantities. The Document Creation Assistant or SuperWizard function can also be used to create a new document. This feature can always be used to create a price list, a project document, or a construction cost management document, either by default and completely empty or from a template document. The wizard also guides you through creating a new document by prompting you to select the reference document. Here you can simply select it and click on the OK button. You can then choose what you want to import from the reference document. Let's say, for example, all of the data, only sections of general data, or the information related to the items. In this case, let's select only general data and then click the Finish button. As you can see, the document is created immediately. Although the measurements and price list editors are completely empty, you'll notice that the general data section is already filled in, having been imported from the reference document. If you check the chapters and categories sections, again you can see that the super chapters or work categories have been imported from the reference document. Of course, all of this information can still be modified at any time.